Hello Sagittarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 25th August to 31st August 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. To begin the session, I would like to start with a sound healing session. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold your breath for 3 seconds and release it very slowly. Please be mindful of the thoughts that come into your mind while we do this session and write to me in the comment section below so that I can shed some light over it. Sagittarius, looking at your at your weekly energies, I see that you feel like the Knight of Cups this week. Um, you want to offer your cup of love to someone, and you want to have a point of abundance with someone, in terms of money, in terms of love, in terms of emotions, everything. And you are really offering your cup of love to someone this week, Sagittarius. um, Although you might not have a very stable outlook of the relationship, but you do want to offer your love. You are being very calm, very creative, um, very resourceful in terms of proving your love, and you see it as a point of completion for you in your life. However, I don't see the other person responding quite positively to this, but we will see that in the reading ahead. Onto your love front, we've got Queen of Swords and Thunderbolt. So, Queen of Swords here indicates that you or the other person could actually be very, very doubtful about the relationship. They might feel that. They might feel that there is something that is hidden from them, or something that is not really out there. Also, you could find out some truth about a relationship, and that will actually cause a thunderbolt moment for you, and you might just end up a situation all of a sudden. However, this might not be true for all the Sagittarians, because you might be in a different phase of a relationship, and this is for somebody who is actually already dating and they've been with a person for a while, and they actually figure out some sort of a truth about this person, and it causes a thunderbolt moment for them. Onto the work front, you've got Seven of Pentacles and New Vision. You are waiting for your investments to grow, you are waiting for your funds to grow, and you will get success, but there is some time that you will have to wait. You might feel very blocked, very stuck in a situation. You might feel that there is nothing moving forward for you, but it's not that. Things will look up for you if you can redirect your energies in a different on a different venture or a different situation. Things will look up for you. Even the guidance cards, the ones that I have for you, they indicate the same. So this is a temporary situation. Wait for a week before you this is only for this week, Sagittarius, so things will move again for you. Ten of Cups and Celebration here can indicate that you could have something to do with your feet, some issues with your feet. You might have an accident, can have cons, can have something to do with your feet. Three of Cups again indicates that there could be a substance abuse, there could be a fear of betrayal, due to which you will not be able to function as much as you want. Looking at some of the advices we have for you, healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Impasse, reflect and redirect your energy. And if there is a question in your mind, the answer is remain positive. So Sagittarius, this is your weekly reading. Please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.